Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. But in today's video, let's talk about how to have the perfect red bold bedroom. Alright guys, so like I always say, don't forget to head on over to Facebook, join our free Facebook group, And Then There Was Style. You will also find us on TikTok and Pinterest as well, same name, And Then There Was Style. Now at this point I usually say let's get right into the video, and we are going to do that, but let me just say first off, please excuse my voice in this video. You guys, I have a little bit of a summer cold, a bit of allergies going on, and I am just kind of getting over it, so I'm still sounding kind of, you know, blah. But now, let's get into the video. So red may not be the color you think of when you think of appropriate bedroom type home decor, right? So we just did a video about a relaxing blue bedroom, and blue is so popular. First off, we learned that it is the majority of people's favorite color, which I didn't know, but it's also very calming, it's very relaxing, it's very serene. So a lot of people choose this color for a bedroom in particular because it's all the things that you want your bedroom to be, right? Very relaxing, very calming, just very, as soon as you lay in the bed, you just kind of drift off into this peaceful sleep. But so many people nowadays are choosing red for a bedroom color. Now, this may seem a little out of the box because when you think of red, red is definitely a power color. If you step in a room that's red, you know, subconsciously you'll feel energized, you'll feel very charged, you will just feel just ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. That's the beauty of the color red. But a lot of people are confused, so why are people using red in the bedroom? And the, I guess, best answer is because they want to. They like the color red, they like how the red looks in their bedroom, and it's becoming more and more of a trend now. A lot of people are breaking out of those kind of status quo kind of rules that we've had set for years, and they're just kind of going with their own thing and going with the flow and just basically doing what they want to do. So when it comes to really infusing a space or an area with a ton of energy and just a little bit of romance, very few colors come close to the color red. And it's a great way to showcase a feature of your room, to give it prominence and really elevate a space that is filled with what some people may call boring neutrals. Now, of course, you're gonna have people that love neutrals and just really don't understand what I'm saying. But on the other hand, you're gonna have some people who are neutrals are just like kind of blah. Yeah, when it comes to adding this really brilliant bright color to our bedrooms, like we have talked about before, we often find ourselves just really hesitant, not really sure if we want to do it, and fearful that the color will really just take over the space. And a lot of people believe that red may disturb the harmony of their personal sanctuary, that one room they can go to just relax and drift off in peace. But for those people who are bold enough and who dare, red is maybe the perfect choice. Decorating red bedrooms is all about getting the balance between the various elements in the room just right. While some prefer an overdose of this color, like a room where the walls are painted red with red bedding and, you know, red accessories, just as soon as you step in the room, just a red overload. Other people like to use it in a really sporadic, elegant fashion, so possibly still having neutral walls or neutral carpets and just using red as an accent color, like throw pillows, a little slight throw rug, you know, just something easy and simple, lampshades, whatever it is. But creating the perfect red bedroom, much as in the case of creating the perfect red living room, is all about picking the right hue and letting it become an organic part of the theme that you have chosen. So, as we had been speaking about, sometimes the thought process of painting a whole room red is just a little too overwhelming for us. So, why not create a red accent wall in your bedroom? Red is a great choice for an accent wall where the other colors are muted and really unimpressive. Since most homeowners are moving toward the trend of picking an all-white or gray backdrop for the bedroom, red is a great way of really putting some life in an instant into your room. Most often, it's the wall behind the bed that is chosen for the accent wall. Red bedroom accent walls make an even more stark visual impact when the rest of the room is as minimal as possible. And much like in any other room of the house, a touch of black along with red brings just a little bit of sophistication to the bedroom instantly. Now, when you use a red accent wall, just make sure you repeat the color elsewhere in one or two decor elements. Since we are talking about bedrooms, pillow covers and duvets can also be used to get this done with ease. By repeating the color, one gives the bedroom a more elegant look, which with a touch of symmetry, it's like you planned every minute detail out. Just like in the case of blue or yellow, there are many different shades of red that you can pick from. Consider the entire range before you make the final decision. Maybe all your bedroom needs is a touch of orange red or really rich scarlet to give it the enchanting vibe that you are after. But in the case of red, it is the finish that seems to make the biggest difference in the atmosphere of the room. While matte finishes give the room a more understated look, glossy reds are ideal for contemporary bedrooms that search for that rich, exotic look. Shades like berry red manage to bring in a touch of purple along with red and take the decorating process in an entirely different direction. When it comes to bedrooms, drapes in velvety red are a huge hit, and they can be used in themes ranging from modern to Mediterranean with seamless ease. Combine them with the right bedding for a posh, captivating ambiance that looks even more spectacular with the right lighting. Alright guys, so as always, please comment your favorite room down below. Let me know what you thought. What was your favorite red bedroom? I mean, there were some that were just super in your face red, and then there were some where it was more of a neutral background and red was just kind of the accent color. Would you have a red bedroom? Is this something that you would feel comfortable doing? I know a lot of people are like, I would never get a wink of sleep in a red bedroom, but let me know your thoughts on this down below in the comment section. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below. I loved a lot of these rooms, so just randomly picking one, I chose this one. I love the chandelier. Of course, I love this red, and I love that there is like that little mini seating area in the bedroom. I just love this room. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.